Red beans for Mr. Doraemon. Wow, thank you very much.
Wow!
I will take everything to cook delicious dorayaki.
Yes!
First, we need to pour it with water and leave it for half an hour so that the beans soften. Now drain the water and bring the beans in a new portion of water to boil. There we go. Now let's wait a little. Look, it's boiling. Let's change the water again and put our beans on low heat for another 40 minutes so that it is completely cooked. We got a wonderful result from which you can make a sweet filling. Let's smash it up a little. And it is necessary to add sugar and mix it well so that it dissolves. Let's prepare our dough. To do this, we will need honey and an egg. We'll crack an egg in a bowl. Add some honey, some sugar, and mix it well. We put a sieve and go through flour. There we go. Mix it well. And our gorgeous dough is ready. Time to light the fire. Pouring out the mixture. And there we go. Our pancake is almost ready. Time to turn it over. Look at that. It looks incredible. We put our bean filling on them. And that's ready. And another one. Help yourself, Doraemon. Wow, that is yummy. Yeah, it definitely is. Thank you all, friends. Please like this video. I invite you to subscribe to my channel. You'll find a lot of cool recipes and you can actually cook them with us. Bye!